Hello and welcome to another update video about Bonk. Bonk is on the move again and has seen a reaction to that support zone. I communicated that yesterday in our membership, and I'm not entirely sure if I also talked about it in the video yesterday. But there was this update here that I added yesterday. You'll actually find it on our Discord server. If you're interested to join, you can check out the gold membership in the on YouTube or on the website. Basically, what we're always looking for, and we can combine that with a quick educational lesson. We're always looking for 5-wave movements to the upside. Okay, so you might see it here. We have a 5-wave move up from this swing low. I think it was the 5th of July. And based on that, I can add a support zone. That's the Fibonacci support zone. 5 waves up indicate it could be a wave 1. And then we know which Fibonacci levels are relevant for a wave 2. It's typically the area between the 78.6 and the 38.2 retracement. And from there, we expect the rally. Well, whether that's an A-B structure with a C wave to the, that was the dog. Whether that's an A-B structure with a C wave to the upside to come, or a 1-2 with a third wave, well, that remains to be seen. Don't forget, we are here on a very, 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 very small time frame. But you can see that this reaction happened to the 61.8 retracement. Yeah, if you follow our signals on Discord, or if you're a silver and gold member, you have access to the live charts. So when you see confluence, additional confluence, 2 Fibonacci levels overlapping, that can provide additional support. So for example, here we had our larger support area, which is still relevant, where we had this 61.8 retracement at 200669 and the 61.8 retracement of the smaller cycle here at 201598. Very, very close together. So there's a bit of a cluster of support that did actually generate support, and we have that bounce. Now, it is a mistake to think that this will now necessarily lead to the major rally, okay? So obviously we're tracking in parallel this larger 1-2 setup where we're watching for a large third wave rally to unfold, possibly to 1220968, the 1.38 extension of the larger cycle. 1 second, I just need to shift that here to the right. Well, that would be, what is that? Like a 300%, 400% increase, right? The problem is a lot of people wait for these rallies, and then it comes down again, and it goes up, and it comes down again, and they get frustrated, yeah? Whereas the charts often need several attempts, okay, to start these, okay? And of course, there's never a guarantee. But rallies like the ones today, or the one today, like Tradingview shows me 17%, but from that low, we talk about like over 20%, okay? So those can be used to take some profits or partial profits. I mean, that's for an intraday trade, absolutely amazing. Now it can easily come back into the support zone. It might break down, right? So the next level of confirmation that we get that this larger rally is actually unfolding, that would be the next larger 5-wave move. Wave 1, wave 2, okay, that's happened. Now we can watch for a target for the third wave, which is here, the 1.38 extension. This needs to be reached next to, let's say, get further clarity that this is actually a third wave, right? Again, it's all about the 5-wave movement. So ideal wave 3 target. Now I have to say it very clearly, that's the first ideal wave 3 target. It can easily go higher, but that's a bit of a milestone, because if the third wave gets there, I call it a viable third wave. Then I will add the support zone for this 4th wave, which would be a higher low, and then we can watch for that 5th wave. Now, then we can take it from there. Obviously, this is an update about the microstructures. We can also keep an eye on these resistance levels here at 270715, 297876, and 315771, because this is where it can fail. I mean, again, you know, it rallies. I would actually now expect it to get at least here to that 100% extension at 270715. This is where we have next resistance. So one trading approach might have been adding here, trading to the next resistance level. It's a decent move, okay? If it, however, breaks above and gets to the 1.38, then it increases the odds of actually continuing. But then we have to watch for a higher low first and that higher high. So it's all about support and resistance. And then the Elliott waves, in addition, give us these support and resistance areas, and they give us a roadmap as well. So that's looking good, and I would assume we now get to that red resistance area. Pay attention to this area for possible rejection. And I mentioned the ideal wave 3 target already. That's the update about Bonk. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.